Benny, Yana, alam nyo lahat ng sinasacrifice namin ni daddy nyo para sa inyo. Si daddy nyo nasa malayo para bigyan kayo ng magandang buhay. And ako, andito ako para gabayan kayo everyday when you're in your life.
I'm flying free, falling in love with the journey.
For today's celebration, Gwen, Ollie, and Diana Ashley.
What a great big world, what a wild ride. I'm chasing the magic, feel the rush of the light. I'm all in, it's calling, this beautiful. This beautiful. I'm all in, it's calling, this beautiful.
Kung ano man maging pangarap nila, susuportahan ko sila. Kung ano yung maging happy man nila, kung ano yung mga gusto nilang gawin sa mga paglaki nila. So, andito lang ako bilang magulang, susuportahan ko sila kung ano man yung kahiligan nila. Walang favorite sa kanilang dalawa, sa talagang parehas lang sila.
I'll show my colors bright and bold. What a great big world, what a wild ride, what a grand adventure, it's beautiful. I'm chasing the magic, feel the rush of the light. I'm all in, it's calling, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. I'm all in, it's calling, it's beautiful.
Happy birthday, Gwen and Diana. I love you. Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Gwenny! Happy birthday, Diana! Love you!
Happy birthday, Gwen. I hope you have an
Chasing stars, seeing dreams.
matalino at maganda.
I
God
don't
bless.
wanna lay low. I see you with my eyes closed. I know what I'm made for.
Happy birthday, Ate Gwenny and Ate Diana.
I wish na you stay happy, confident, and love with God.
This is the moment.
Ang prayer ko ay maging healthy and strong ka palagi. Sana laging puno ng fun, stars, and laughter ang days mo. Maging good sa school and ma-achieve mo ang dreams mo. Karoon ka ng true friends as you grow na nandyan for you. Manatili kang kind, loving, and respectful sa lahat. Sana maging brave ka sa challenges and never give up. Sana matupad mo lahat ng prayers and dreams mo.
I don't wanna lay low.
Happy birthday, Gwenny! Narito lagi ang lola para sa
Ala yung daddy mo, ako muna yung daddy mo. Paghatid mo sa school, iingatan kita hanggat maaari dahil mahal na mahal ka ni Lolo.
Hello, Gwenny! Happy birthday sa iyo! Sinasaan ko ang pagpapala ng Panginoon ay patuloy ninyong mararanasan. Lalo ngayon ang iyong daddy ay nasa malayo sa inyong piling. Sana maging masaya siya at walang maging problema. Ilayo kayo sa anumang uri ng karamdaman. Hangat ko na maging healthy kayo.
This is the moment.
God is shaping you to be a leader, a voice, and an example to many young people. And as you grow, you will bring many achievements and blessings to your family. Kaya ang batang ito ay dinideclare namin na lalaking mabait, masunurin, at gagamitin ng God sa kanyang kingdom. God bless you and happy birthday!
Happy birthday, baby! We love you so much. Happy birthday, Aling Maliit.
Happy birthday, and we love you so much.
Once again, happy birthday, Gwenny and Gianna.
Happy birthday, Diana.
This is
Gwenny.
the moment. This is the moment. In the moonlight.
Gwenny, Yana, alam niyong mahal na mahal kayo ni Mami. Lahat gagawin ko, lahat ginagawa ko para sa inyo. So, andito lang ako palagi. I'll always be here for you. Kung hanggang saan niyo ako kailanganin, gagawin ko lahat para sa inyo. Gwenny, Yana, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Gwen and Diana. I love you.
Happy birthday, Yana!